Welcome back. Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of notes that you've taken and wish you could just sit back and have them read to you? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Microsoft OneNote to read your notes aloud. It is great for multitasking or giving your eyes a break. Before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about the advantages of using this feature in OneNote. There's 3 advantages: accessibility, multitasking, and comprehension. Let's talk about multitasking first. For multitasking, it is great when you need to listen to your notes while doing other tasks. For accessibility, this helps with visual impairments or reading difficulties. Let's talk about the last advantage, comprehension. Listening can enhance understanding and retention for auditory learners. You have the 3 advantages: multitasking, accessibility, and comprehension. Let me demonstrate how to activate this feature in Microsoft OneNote. So first of all, you're going to open OneNote, and next you're going to go to the specific page where you want the notes read to you.
You can get it to read different things. And here I can click on it.
Ingredients: tomatoes, garlic, onion, salt, pepper, basil, oregano, Parmesan cheese.
OneNote doesn't just read your notes, it allows you to customize your listening experience. In OneNote, you can actually change the voice selection and the reading speed. So for the voice selection, you can choose from different voice options to find the one that's most pleasant for you. Reading speed. You can also adjust the speed to ensure you catch every detail, or speed it up if you're in a hurry. Pause and resume. You can easily control if you need to take a break or jot down some notes. In order to customize your listening experience, you have voice selection, your reading speed, and you can pause and resume anytime you wish.
Here, I could actually change. I could change a female or a male voice, and you can change the speed. So if I do a male,
add a photo.
So I'm going to go back. You can actually get OneNote to read your notes to you.
Here are some pro tips to make the most out of this feature. Use headphones. This is for a distraction-free experience, especially in public places. And also organize your notes. Structure your notes with headlines and bullets for smooth reading. Here's a simple way to change the way you interact with your notes using Microsoft OneNote. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.